Hello students, welcome to the Civil Service Mentoring class of IIPA. In this class, we are going to discuss the prelims 2021 geography questions. So let's start with the first questions of 2021. The first questions of geography is related with the Indus water river system. It is a very tough questions to answer. It says that out of the following four rivers, three of them pour into one of them, which joins the Indus direct. So let's look at the Indus water river system maps first. Before we answer these questions, please remember the Chenab river is the largest tributary of Indus river. What does it means? Largest का मतलब ये है कि जो इंडस रिवर्स की जो ट्रिब्यूटरीज है उसमें सबसे ज़्यादा पानी अगर किसी को मिलता है इंडस रिवर को तो वो इस चेनाब रिवर से मिलता है. Similarly, the Satluj river is the longest tributary of Indus river and also a antecedent river along with Indus. What does it means? मतलब सतलज रिवर जो है इंडस रिवर के सारे ट्रिब्यूटरीज में से सबसे लंबी रिवर है. उसके साथ साथ ही है ये रिवर उस समय बनी थी जब वो हिमालय से पहले थे. हिमालय के इवोल्यूशंस की पहले की रिवर है. एंटीसीडेंट रिवर का मतलब ये होता है कि इफ़ इज़ देयर एनी चेंजेस इन लैंडफॉर्म इन दैट रीजन्स तो उसका कुछ भी असर उस रिवर के कोर्स पर नहीं पड़ता है. मतलब कि रिवर का जो दिशा है, डायरेक्शन है, एज इट इज़ रहता है डिस्पाइट ऑफ चेंजेस इन द लैंडफॉर्म इन द रीजन्स. सो सतलज रिवर एक महत्वपूर्ण रिवर है इंडस रिवर सिस्टम का. नाउ लुक एट हेयर this Jhelum river meet Chenab river near the Jung in Pakistan. Again, Ravi rivers joins the Chenab river near the Sarai Sidhu. Vyas river joins Satluj in India itself. And finally, Satluj is joined by this Satluj river is joined by the Chenab river here in Pakistan. So the Satluj river receives collective water of Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, and finally it pours the collective water into the Indus river at Mithankot in Pakistan. So our answer will be D. Some people also give Chenab as answer depending on the interpretation of river linking, but our answer will be D. Now coming to the next questions. This present question is asking that names like Didwana, Kachman, Sargol and Kathu are related to which of the following landforms? To answer these questions, we have to adopt elimination technique. First of all, see what these names like Didwana etc. are related to. Basically, Didwana, Kachman and others are the towns of Rajasthan situated nearby salt lakes. Now, you have to see whether such type of landforms can be found in Rajasthan or not. See, you cannot find glacier in Rajasthan. So, if you know any of the towns which are located in Rajasthan, then you can obviously says that glacier cannot be found in Rajasthan. Neither mangrove areas can be situated in Rajasthan because it is related to the coastal area. Similarly, Ramsar sites are related to marshy land or wetlands. So again, this option is not a good choice. Yeah, it's a wrong choice. So finally, our answer will be the saline lakes. So answer D is the correct answer. For example, why I am saying that Didwana is a town situated near Saline Lake in Nagaur district of Rajasthan. So if you know that Didwana or any of the towns are located in Rajasthan, so your answer will be D, Saline Lakes. Now next question is which of the following rivers rises from the Eastern Ghat? These four is Brahmani, Nagavalli, Subarnrekha and Vamasdhara. See, Eastern Ghats are a discontinuous ranges of mountains along the India's eastern coast. It mainly passes through Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, and Tamil Nadu. Many eastward following rivers originate from these eastern ghats. Out of these 4 rivers, Brahmani, Nagavalli, Suvarnrekha and Vamasdhara, the Brahmani river originates from western part of the Chota Nagpur plateau, from this here, and it flows through the Birbhum district of Odisha. So it is a wrong choice. Brahmani is a wrong choice for these questions. Similarly, Nagavalli rivers forms a prime river of northeastern Andhra Pradesh and southern Odisha and originate from the eastern Ghat here. So it's a Nagavalli is a right option. As far as Suvarnrekha river is concerned, this river originates near Ranchi and flows through Jharkhand, West Bengal and Odisha, and Chota Nagpur plateau is not a part of eastern Ghat. So Suvarnrekha river is also a wrong answer. Finally, the Vamasdhara river rises in the eastern Ghats on the border of Andhra Pradesh and you can say Odisha, particularly from the Kalahandi districts and Raigad district of Odisha. So it also rises from the western Ghat. So again, this Vamasdhara river is also a right answer. So our answer will be 2 and 4. Others answers are wrong. Next question is asking to select the least water efficient crop among the following. Out of this sugar cane, sunflower, pearl millet, red gram, this question says that out of these 4 crops, which one is the least water efficient crop. For example, to answer these questions, we have to look at the amount of water and weather conditions required for each crop. Take the example of this red gram. This red gram is a rain-fed crop and requires 35 to 40 centimeter water during its entire growth period. It also does not need any irrigation. So red gram is a wrong answer. Millets are sown in dry areas with minimal irrigation requirements. So again, it's a water efficient plant, so it's a wrong answer. As far as sunflower is concerned, it is mostly grown in Karnataka, Odisha, Haryana, and it also requires less water, and its water footprint is less than 7 to 9 liter per kg. So again, sunflower is a water efficient plant, so here it is a wrong choice. Now finally, coming to the sugarcane, it takes about 210 liters of water to produce 1 kg of sugarcane. Hence, our option is A, and A is the correct answer. Now coming to the next questions. 2 statements are given here, and we have to select the right answer. The first statement is, in the tropical zones, the western sections of the oceans are warmer than eastern sections owing to the influence of trade winds. Similarly, the second statement says that in the temperate zone, westerlies makes the eastern sections of oceans warmer than the western sections. See, if we look at the wind pattern of globe, in the tropical zone, the warmer water is transported westward in the ocean by the northeast trade winds in the northern hemisphere. We can see here, these are the tropical zones. Here water is flowing from eastward to westwards. So in the tropical zones, the western sections of the ocean is warmer than eastern sections due to the trade winds. Hence, statement 1 is correct. Similarly, in temperate zones, the westerlies plays in an important role in carrying the warm waters and winds to the western coasts of the continents. We can see here, these are the westerly, and these are the western part of the Atlantic Ocean, North Atlantic Oceans. The westerlies plays, as I told you, that the westerlies plays an important role in carrying the warm waters and winds to the western coasts of the continents. That is eastern section of the ocean in temperate zones. Thus, in temperate zones, westerlies make the eastern section of the ocean warmer than the western sections. So, statement 2 is also correct. Hence, 1 and 2 statements are correct. So, our option will be C. C is the right answer. The next questions describes about the few characteristics of a particular type of forest. It says that in which of the following biomes leaf decomposes faster than in any other biome. Similarly, it also says that vegetable is largely composed of plant forms and reach up to the canopy. Reach up into the canopy. So if you look at the options, the first option, coniferous forest, are found in subpolar region where decomposition of leaves are very slow due to the low temperature. So answer A is a wrong choice. Similarly, the dry deciduous forests, dry deciduous forests are found in tropical dry climates area. Here most of the trees are stunted, thorny and small leaves. Canopy are open, therefore it is also a wrong answer. Now, coming to the mangrove forest, these mangrove forests are halophytic or salt-loving trees, mainly grows as suburbs in the brackish to saline tidal waters. So again, here the chances of a high canopy is not there here. So again, mangrove forest is also a wrong choice. On the other hand, the tropical forest has hot and moist climate. The hot and humid conditions make tropical rainforest dense with broader canopy. They provide an ideal environment for bacteria and other microorganisms. They quickly decomposes organic matter on the forest floor. They also support large number of epiphytes which live on the branches of trees high up in the canopy. So our answer is tropical rainforest. So you have to choose the answer D. Now coming to the next question. Again, two statements are given here and we have to select the right answer. The first statement is the amount of water in the rivers and lakes is more than the amount of groundwater. This is the first statement. The second statement is like that: the amount of water in polar and ice caps and glacier is more than amount of groundwater. See, the statement 1 is incorrect. Why I am saying that? We have to look at the water distribution on the globe. We can say that 69% of the earth water resides in glaciers, 30% are underground, and less than 1% is located in lakes, rivers and swamps. Thus, the amount of water in rivers and lakes is less than amount of groundwater. So, the statement 1 is incorrect. Now coming to the second statement, this statement is correct because out of the total fresh water, as I told earlier, 69% resides in glacier and 30% underground. Therefore, polar ice caps and glaciers have more water than groundwater. So statement 2 is correct. So out of these options, only 2 is correct. So our option will be B. Now coming to the next question. This question is asking about the factors of black soil formation. See, the black soil in India is found in the states like Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka. And black soil is formed due to the weathering or erosion of the basaltic rocks, which has been formed due to fissuric volcanic eruption in the plateau region. Peninsular plateau regions. Hence, option B is the correct answer. Black soils are mineral soils which have a black surface horizon enriched with organic carbon that is at least 25 centimeter deep. You have to also remember that black soils has good capacity to hold the moisture in the soil.